If you have been among those who avoid drinking aloe vera extract, come closer, let me tell you what you have been mixing. Aloe extract, which is derived from the aloe vera plant, has long been used for its medicinal properties. Here are 5 potential health benefits of drinking aloe extract. 1. Promotes digestive health. Aloe extract contains compounds that may help alleviate digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and acid reflux. It can also help soothe and heal the lining of the digestive tract. 2. Boosts immunity. Aloe extract has immune-boosting properties due to its high content of antioxidants, which can help fight off harmful pathogens and protect against oxidative stress. 3. Reduces inflammation. Aloe extract has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with many chronic diseases, such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. 4. Supports skin health. Aloe extract is commonly used in skincare products due to its hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking aloe extract may help improve skin health from the inside out. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Aloe extract may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the absorption of glucose in the gut. This may be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Note: it's worth noting that while aloe extract has potential health benefits, it can also have negative side effects when consumed in excess or for extended periods of time. As with any supplement, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before adding aloe extract to your diet.